Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been super long. Just a lot of things have been going on and I just didn't really feel like filming. So I'm excited to be back, and yes, I got my PowerSheets and I'm so excited. I did dive into it and look at it just to make sure everything was there and just to like look at everything and see everything for the first time in person. But I am so excited. I am still going to be using my new Moxie Life, which I did order, was it Wednesday or Thursday this past week? So I'm so excited for that, but I'm trying to figure out how I want to use my PowerSheets with my Moxie Life as well. I think with the Moxie Life, you know, when COVID first started, it was nice to just have the Moxie Life because it was kind of like just very simple, and I didn't have as many goals specifically in mind, so it was kind of like a little bit more lenient towards what I wanted to set as my goals. But I think for 2021, I do want to dive back into my PowerSheets, be a little bit more specific, but then also somehow pair it with my Moxie Life. Also, if I seem a little bit frazzled, I was just getting my camera set up and making sure the lights were set up, and then I spilled my coffee all over my filming area. Luckily it didn't get on this, but it just, oh, it smells like coffee right now and it's kind of sickening, even though I love the smell of coffee. But oh man, I get the nitro cold brew with sweet cream, so it's a little bit sticky everywhere. And yeah, I'm probably gonna have to clean up a little bit more after this just to get rid of the coffee and the cream smell and all that. But anyways, yes, let us look at what I ordered. So I ordered this on opening release day. This is what I ordered. I did a package, the package bundle, the bundle. It wasn't the favorites. It was just the one where you could pick multiple things, and then it would be like $115 total or something like that. So I'm gonna put this off to the side, and the first thing I got is the Little by Little journal. Honestly, I didn't look at too many reviews or like look at what was coming out this year, just because of everything going on. I was kind of not really looking at everything, but I'm excited to see what this. It's taped pretty well. So it's a Little by Little journal. I'm sure you've seen this before. So it has little areas where you can write, and I don't know, this might be fun. I just, honestly, if I don't even use it, it would be nice to just have by my desk because it looks so cute, and I love the pattern. I really like this pattern. And it just has a little card, which would be really cute to frame. The next thing I got were the page markers. I got the magnetic page markers and the one that says Little by Little. There was two different kinds, I think, but I thought this was cute, and I did get this cover, so it would match really well with that. Next up, I got the color coding marker set, which honestly, I got these kind of on a whim, but I kind of wanted to swatch them to see how close they are to the actual colors. And I do like that they come in this case. Let's see. I'm trying to figure out what I can. Let's see. It comes with these papers, so maybe I'll try. But I just wanted to see how they would. They do remind me of the Crayola. Is it the fine tips? Let's see. Ooh, I really like these. These are very vibrant. I was using the fine liners last year, or this year really, I guess you could say. But I've been using the fine liners, and I do like them, but you know, they don't really match perfectly with the color coding system. I do notice though on some of these, I think it was the green one mainly, like this gold foiling was kind of not on. But I really like these colors. Wow, that's more pink than I thought. Okay, those are kind of similar. But yeah, I really like these, and I figured I could put them in my new pouch. So I have the EC pouch, but you know, matchy, right? So it's really nice. If you spill something like I did like 2 minutes ago, I could just wipe it off because of the material is really nice. Oh, I didn't even realize. The inside looks just like the cover. That's cute. I'll put these in here. And they do fit pretty well. There's definitely a ton of extra room. Alright, so yeah, that is the next thing I got is the pouch. And I also, you know, I've never really been a washi tape person, but, sorry, my camera keeps tilting that way. But I thought I would try it out, and it was part of the package bundle, so, you know, why not? Sorry if you can hear it. Our neighbors have puppies, so they're kind of going wild. But there's this one, which has the little flower petal details. I really like this one. It matches the cover that I got, and I think these will be really nice and fun little addition to the PowerSheets, and when I'm setting everything up, and I can use it in my Moxie Life if I want to. So I will put those in there as well. And I mean, that bottle fits pretty good. The next product I got was the sticker sheet. And, you know, I haven't really looked at any of these things, so I did use a sticker sheet last year. I think my only complaint is they're very rigid, which is nice. I do like that they're rigid, but I had trouble with when it would stick. It might be a little bit better this year, but when I would put it on the paper, it would kind of come up just because they're so thick of a sticker. Like, they're such nice quality stickers, but it almost hurts it in that way. Like, it almost has a little negative effect in that way, but I'll see how they are this year. I think it was the heart ones. When I would put the heart ones on my PowerSheets, sometimes they'd kind of slide around. Like, you had to really make sure it was stuck on your paper. But, yeah, excited for that. Sorry with the dog. And this was a freebie, and it is so cute. Growing good things, and it's a little pin, which I'm not an enamel pin person. Well, like, I've never collected them, but let's see if I could get wrong way, Jill. I don't know if you could. There we go. But I've been kind of more tempted to start collecting enamel pins. So we shall see if I start doing that. And last but not least is the PowerSheets. And this year I did get the flower pattern. I just thought it was fun. Last year I did end up getting the flower pattern because it was the only one left. But I just kind of like this one. It was kind of nice. So it still has the little edges that are covered, the pockets, little pamphlet here. And I remember seeing that it has changed, I think, with how you set up your goals. I do like the more vivid color look. I don't know, I really like that. And I think it'll match well with the markers. Let's see. I mean, pretty well. But it will be interesting because last year I did do the quarterly goal setting, and so every quarter I would kind of just pick what goals I wanted to focus on instead of having an overarching like big goal. And I think that's what they do this year. Let's see. So what mini goals will help you make progress on this goal between now and the end of 2021. Brainstorm ideas and action steps to get you from here to completion. Then choose your mini goal for the first quarter of the year, January. Yeah. So I do like that. I think this will be better because the past year I had to copy like the action plan sheets so I can have it every single refresh. Let's see, January, February, March, and then it would be in April. So there's the prep work and refresh goals. And then there should be 8, right? No, yeah. 4 and 4. So I think this will be good. I think this will be good. And I think what I do like about the PowerSheets versus the Moxie Life is just you have a little bit more guidance. And I could see that being a con or a positive for people. For me, I do like this. I do like having it so specifically set out. And you know, you have your daily action items, and I do like that in a sense. But you know, I could see people also liking the little bit more freedom of the Moxie Life and, you know, just choosing how many goals you want. You don't have to have, I mean, even in this, you don't have to have 8 overarching goals. It still can be how many you ever choose, 1 or 8, doesn't matter. But, you know, I think it's good. There's different ways, benefits of both. I do prefer this for goal setting, like at least just planning my goals, and I'll see how I use the Moxie Life because I did enjoy the Moxie Life, but sometimes I need a little bit more structure. Just it helps me figure out what I want to do. So yes, this is my unboxing of the PowerSheets, and I'm so excited. I love, oh, these are new. Oh, we did have these last year, but it was in the sticker sheet too. But it's kind of nice that it has it here. So I really like this. I love the little, oh god, it's just so pretty, the illustration and design. And I do enjoy the pockets. I kind of wish they had a tab for the quarterly, like of last year or this year. It had fall and spring and all that, so that was kind of nice, but that is okay. We don't need that. And it is definitely thinner than this year's PowerSheets. So I'm really excited. Definitely let me know if you got the PowerSheets this year, and also what cover you got. Did you get this cover as well, or did you get the, I think they had a pink and like an aqua blue one. I was really tempted to get the pink one. I was really tempted to get the blue one. I really liked them all, so yes, I hope you guys enjoyed, and it's been so nice being back. I definitely missed it. But yeah, it's been a rough couple of months, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!